Welcome to the video. Dr. Robert Morse replying a medical doctor. Dr. Robert Morse said, "You people have no clue what healthy food is. You people have no healing of disease that is addressing the root cause of disease." So, medical world is working with medicine for every disease. That is how they are trained. But they have no clue that human fuel is sucrose, fructose, glucose. This is the first fuel for the brain. And protein and fat have no energy, like Dr. Moore said. They are deadly foods. Protein need to be converted in your body and takes 10 to 72 hours. So it becomes highly acidic. Protein is never a fuel source for humanity. Fat is never a fuel source because it's destroying the thyroid. The thyroid is responsible for healthy hair. The thyroid is responsible for hormonal health. So you better trust Dr. Robert Morse. You better trust a yoga teacher as Baba Ramdev. So medical doctors are not trained in food only a little few hours. Dr. Robert Morse is an alkaline food specialist. Dr. Yogi Baba Ramdev is an alkaline food. He is recommending ghee, which is actually not human food. Like I said, protein and fat are not fuel for the human body. You can only wash out the body by fruit. If you eat protein and fat, the blood becomes acidic and you create inflammation, you create disease later on. So potatoes are okay because they are sugar, but fat from meat or protein from meat is not, or dairy is not a human food source. And I like how Dr. Robert Morse is fighting for the truth in this world. You need to know that when fruit has low quality, you can create an imbalance of electrolytes. This is what happens to many clients in the Tanglewood Center. They were brought to the hospital. This is what happened to myself. And it can go that far that you don't know what you are doing, that your brain is falling out. But the root cause of the problem is low quality fruit. Fruit should be high quality because that is the primary fuel for humanity. And amazing that the old Dr. Morse is still fighting the medical world with their no clue, absence of knowledge. And this is what many people, once they see somebody that is fruit getting in problems and brought to the hospital, then they think, oh, fruit is bad for you. But no, fruit need to be better, then these problems don't happen, because fruit is the primary fuel of humanity. And we keep on fighting. I've got 2 YouTube channels of 1,500 videos that YouTube deleted. I built up a new one with now 1,600 videos because I want to support Dr. Robert Morse. The old doctor is telling the truth. And you need to know that he was a medical doctor all his life, and that he was going away from the medical system because they don't have the knowledge of alkaline foods. They have no knowledge about addressing root cause. They suppress root cause. They are trained for medicine for every problem, but every problem has the same root cause: toxicity, gut buildup, and dehydration. Lauren Lockman, hydration specialist. Dehydration. Dr. Robert Morse, alkaline food. And acid chemistry specialist. So these people telling the truth, and medical world wants to know better, but they lacking training. So no matter what you coach, you need to address the root cause of a problem. If I hurt myself, what is the root cause? I am not eating fruit. So then I use some other thing as a primary fuel. But if you have an accident, well, the advice of Lauren, go out of the body's way. You lay down and you sip water, and the body will make the best of it. Only when a bone is sticking out of your body, then you need medical world. But you don't need to go to medical world because you have flu or for any other small problem, because they don't address the root cause. So long as you stay on fruit, you keep on healing. You go away from the fruit to other fuel sources, you stop the healing.